Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the videos useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve this problem using the concepts of dot product. So as per the problem, the vectors A, B and C satisfy the relationship vector A equals vector B plus vector C. So in part A, we have to show that this equation is true. So we'll start with the left side of this equation. So the left side is the square of magnitude of vector A. Now here we'll use the magnitude property of dot product to change square of magnitude of A into A dot A. Now in the problem, we are given that vector A is equal to vector B plus vector C. So we will do the substitution for vector A. Now we can use the distributive property of dot product. So we'll distribute the vector terms. So we first get B dot B, and then we get B dot C, and next we get C dot B, and lastly we get C dot C. Now as per the magnitude property of dot product, so B dot P can be written as square of magnitude of vector B. As per the commutative property of dot product, C dot B is equal to B dot C. And as per the magnitudes property of dot product, C dot C can be written as square of magnitude of vector C. Now we can combine the terms B dot C and B dot C. So we get 2 B dot C. So this is the right side of the given equation. So that proves the equation is true. So we are done with part A. Now we can analyze part B. So if the vectors B and C are perpendicular, how does this prove the Pythagorean theorem? So if vectors B and C are perpendicular, that means their dot product is equal to 0. So we can do the substitution for B dot C as equal to 0 in the equation we just proved. So 2 times 0 is 0. Now magnitude of a vector represents the length of a side in the triangle. So in this case, so the three vector magnitudes represent the lengths of three sides in a triangle, and since vectors B and C are perpendicular, That means the magnitude of B and magnitude of C represent the legs of a right angle triangle, and those legs are perpendicular to each other. So we can show it in the form of a diagram like this. So the hypotenuse is vector A, the other two legs are vector B and vector C. And this is a right angle triangle. So this equation, the square of magnitude of vector A is equal to square of magnitude of vector B plus square of magnitude of vector C, represents Pythagoras theorem. So this proves the Pythagorean theorem because vectors B and C are perpendicular to each other. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.